Hello, everyone. Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have a nasty outbreak expected tomorrow, so let's get right to it. So first off, we have a moderate risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses central Illinois and west central Indiana. Cities in tomorrow's moderate risk include Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Decatur, Illinois, Champaign, Illinois, and Bloomington, Illinois. There is an enhanced risk tomorrow covering parts of Missouri, southeastern Iowa, parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, and west central Ohio. Cities in tomorrow's enhanced include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Aurora, Illinois. There is areas in the yellow. Areas in the yellow are in a slight risk tomorrow for severe weather, alright? And there are 2 dark green areas for tomorrow. Alright, the dark green areas are the marginal risk areas for tomorrow, alright? Cities in tomorrow's slight include Columbus, Ohio, Kansas City, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Madison, Wisconsin. And the marginal risk tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, New Orleans, Louisiana, Cleveland, Ohio, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Okay? Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 15% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses central Illinois and west central Indiana. Cities in the 15% tornado risk area tomorrow include Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Decatur, Illinois, Champaign, Illinois, and Bloomington, Illinois. There is a 10% tornado risk tomorrow covering northeastern Missouri, parts of Illinois, and parts of Indiana. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Fort Wayne, Indiana, Aurora, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and Gary, Indiana. Areas in the brown areas are a 5% tornado risk area for tomorrow, and there are 2 dark green areas for tomorrow. The dark green is the 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow, alright? Cities in the 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now, if you look at the solid line area, there's a solid line area here, alright? The solid line area is the highest potential for violent tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF3 tomorrow, alright? The solid line area is the highest potential for violent tornadoes to reach or exceed EF3 tomorrow, alright? And you'll notice there's a black dashed area outside the solid line, alright? The black dashed area is outside the solid line, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF2 tomorrow, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for EF2 or stronger tornadoes tomorrow, alright? Areas outside the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0, EF1, something like that, alright? Cities in the solid line area tomorrow include Joliet, Illinois, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Gary, Indiana, and Hammond, Indiana. And the black dash tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Going to the wind for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering parts of Missouri, southeastern Iowa, much of Illinois, much of Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Aurora, Illinois. There is a 15% wind risk tomorrow covering southeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, parts of Illinois, southern Michigan, southern Indiana, far north central Kentucky, and most of Ohio. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Columbus, Ohio, Kansas City, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Madison, Wisconsin. There are 2 brown areas for tomorrow. Really? The brown areas are the 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow, alright? The brown is the 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow, alright? Cities in the 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, New Orleans, Louisiana, Cleveland, Ohio, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed is the highest potential for hurricane force gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Kansas City, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, and Toledo, Ohio. And now for the hail threat. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, and west central Illinois. The 30% hail risk tomorrow includes Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, Moline, Illinois, Quincy, Illinois, and Rock Island, Illinois. There's a 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter hail or larger. 15% chance for 1 inch hail or larger tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, east central Kansas, parts of Missouri, southern Wisconsin, most of Illinois, southern Michigan, most of Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Kansas City, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, and Toledo, Ohio. Areas in the brown have a 5% hail risk area for tomorrow, alright? Cities in the 5% hail risk tomorrow includes Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Cleveland, Ohio, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow, alright? Within the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter hail tomorrow, alright? Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. So, in summary, an outbreak of severe thunderstorms is expected across portions of Illinois and Indiana on Wednesday. Intense tornadoes, swaths of damage and gusts to 80 miles per hour, and hail to 2.5 inch diameter are expected. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. And again, this is a very serious threat for tomorrow. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. No matter what risk you're in, alright? Stay safe tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Take today to prepare for tomorrow. Have we been notified for severe weather tomorrow? I'm praying for y'all. I'm praying for y'all in these affected areas, and I'll go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.